Hey, kindergarten students. I'm Mr. Baker, your art teacher. And today we're going to be looking at animals in their habitats, or the places where they live. And we're going to be creating an artwork, first drawing and then coloring an animal and its habitat, or the place where it would live in our natural environment. I chose to create this salamander. And this is a ringed salamander which lives in Arkansas. And here we see the salamander living in its habitat. It is on a leaf, which is on the forest floor, someplace cool, and also a place that has plenty of water. Let's get started.